I just got my favorite sneakers. As you all know, as mom of four, I only shop when they're on sale, so we can able to save some money. I just go to the shop to bring out my money, a lot of money, to go and buy a shoe or to go and buy a bag. I always wait when they are on sale so I can dive in there to get whatever I want.
Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, before we move right to the video, let me quickly apologize for not being able to upload a video twice in a week, once in a week. I'm truly sorry. That's because I was really busy. If you are just coming to my channel, my name is Sarah Otash. I'm a German-based YouTuber and I'm also a mom of 4 beautiful kids. So if you want to stick to my channel, don't forget to use the subscription button. Subscription is free. You don't have to be stingy with your subscription. Also, make sure you put all your notification bell, the little bell that is behind the subscription button. Also, make sure you turn it on so you will be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, on today's video is a kind of a haul video. I want to show you some of the stuff I pick up from ASOS and Fashionette. For those of you who have not heard about Fashionette is a website where you can shop your quality bag, your quality shoe, your accessory. And the amazing part of it is that they are on sales right now, so you also have the chance to shop with my code. Fashionette is one of my favorite websites where I shop my designers handbag, my designers shoe. So I got 2 pair of sneakers, Nike sneakers from ASOS, my favorite sneakers I have always wanted to get. So let's move into the video. We have 4 boxes here, 2 boxes from Fashionette and the other 2 boxes from ASOS. Let's start with this little baby right here, my favorite sneakers. So let's open it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I just have to repeat that. Like, you guys, I love the sneakers. You guys, can you guys see? Look at this and look at the color, guys. Look at this. I got this in the size 40 and I got it for 180 euro. This camera is not doing the justice to the sneakers. You guys, you need to see me wear the sneakers. Trust me, you have to see me wear these sneakers. So I got this pair of Nike Max 720 for 180 euro. You guys, I think it will worth the money because I have always wanted to have the sneakers and thank God I finally did. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is also Air Force One and my favorite color. I have looked for the sneakers for almost all of the website, but I have not been able to find this particular color, guys. And I finally did. I finally did. And I finally did, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Can you guys see this? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I just keep repeating that and I will just keep repeating that. You guys, I so much love this Air Force One Nike sneakers. I can't wait to try that on, guys. I can't wait. Let me remove all this. I can't wait to try them on. Seriously, I can't wait to try them. I can't wait to try them, guys. Seriously. Oh, wait. So I got this for just 110 euro, and I think they're worth the money. And I love what I got. So I will try to put the link. I don't know if you can find this particular. Oh god, so I don't know if you can find this particular color right here, but I will also drop the link so you can go and get one for yourself if you want to. The next one is from Fashionet, my favorite website. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys to see what is inside. As you can see, I have not opened it to see what is inside, so let's unbox it together. So guys, this is how the pack looks like. Whenever you get stuff from Fashionet, we always get a thank you card with your name written on it. Their logo is on it, Fashionet. The F start from Fashionet. So this is it. Let's open it. As you can see, I got a Moschino sneakers. So if they are not on sales, yeah, I don't think I can afford it. I only got this because they are on sales. So that is it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. I keep saying that. Oh my goodness. I love what I got, and I also love what I'm saying. I love what I'm saying. Trust me. You need to see me wear this. You just have to see me wear this. So classy, so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to try it on. I can't wait to try it on. This is how the back looks like. You also have the chance to return it. It's not by force. If you don't like it, you gently package it the way you see it, and you remove the label and place it and send it back. They are going to refund your money instantly without no complaint. So that is one of the things I love about Fashionet. So I got this for 200 euro. So I got this for 200 euro on a sales. I think before the sales it was 300 or something euro. So I got this in the size 40. As you can see, they are all original, no fake stuff in Fashionet. So this is the last one, guys. It's a big box. Guess what is inside? Let's guess what is inside. I have a big handbag, and I have another crossing bag, and I have I think sandals. So wish me luck. So finally I also got a Moschino bag. Yeah, like a Moschino bag. I think I'm one of the biggest fans of Moschino, you guys. Because I think I have most of my bags in shoes from Moschino, and that's because I think it's the only one I can afford in Fashionet. I ain't no got money to spend on Gucci. I always go for the ones I can afford. I cannot come back here myself. So you guys, let's open it. Oh my god. So this, you guys need to see this bag. Oh my god. I don't think I have any color of this bag in my closet. I don't think I have any color of this bag in my closet. A golden bag? Are you for real? Are you for real, guys? Finally I have a golden bag. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. Can you guys see that? And I also bought, so I think I bought this with sandals, a Moschino sandals. Oh my god, I keep using that word. I keep using that word. I keep using that word. Oh my god, I love this bag. I love this bag. Look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful the color is. Just look at how beautiful the color is, guys. Look at it. Oh. I'm a Moschino girl. I'm a Moschino girl. Oh. I am so in love with this bag right here. This camera is not just doing the justice on this bag. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Oh my god, this baby right here is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Trust me, this bag is so beautiful. So I also got this Moschino bag on the sales for just 120 euro. So I just got this for 120 euro. As you can see. Can you guys see that? Let me bring it closer. Let me bring it closer. Can you guys see? My love for quality things. So let's move on to the next one. What are all this paper for? A lot of paper. Another Moschino boss, you guys. Like I said before, I only go for the ones I can afford. I only go for the ones I can afford. I cannot come and keep myself. Don't do more than yourself. You get me? Don't do more than yourself. Go for the ones you can afford. Fashionette is not for joke. Fashionette, I repeat, fashionette is not for joke. If you got no money, don't go there, baby. If you don't have good money, don't visit fashionette. I'm telling you, if you don't have good money, good amount of money, don't visit fashionette. I'm just kidding, guys. So they are on sales right now, so you can run to their website to make your order, and you can also use my code. You will get a 20% discount off whatever you purchase, and can thank me later. So let's open it. This is what I'm talking about. I love it. I'm not a fan of sandals. When it comes to sandals, I'm not a fan. You know why? There's something about me when I want to get my own. I love to go for something that is not common. So I got this in the size 40 as usual. I got this in the size 40 for just 100 euro. I know that summer is over, so I'm keeping this for the next summer. I'm not going to wear it, baby. So I'm keeping this for the next summer. I'm just going to package it very well without no stain up of my closet. No one is going to see it, so I'm using it for the next summer. Where's the other leg? I'm so going to keep this one right here. So the last one is this big bag right here. Guess what? Is it a Gucci bag? Does it look like a Gucci bag? Can I afford a Gucci bag? Can I afford a Gucci bag for now as a mom of 4? So let's leave that question for another day. So guys, I'm not a fan of big bag. Yeah, I'm not a fan of big bag. I don't like big bag. I don't like going out with big bag. I have bags, like I have big bags on my closet, but I only use them when my baby is very little. You know, as a new mom, you have to pack some pampers, some food, some milk, some things in the big bag. As for now, I don't like big bag. I only got this one because it's on sales, and I love cheap things. Trust me, I love the shop on sales. I love cheap things, especially when it comes to quality. I will just go for it. As far the thing is on sales and is lesser money, I will go for it. I'll just keep them there as long as they are not going to spoil. So I'll just leave them there. And so let's open it and see what I got. Oh my goodness. So this is a bag from Guest. This is a bag from the Guest. As you can see, it's like one of those bags from Louis Vuitton. So you guys, let's open it. And oh my god, and I love this particular, I love this particular color so much. This is how it looks like. It looks so beautiful, guys. So oh my god, you won't believe this, guys. It has another small bag inside. Is it 2-in-1? Oh my god, as you can see, so beautiful, guys. I did not even see this coming. Oh my god, it's like you bought a 2-in-1 bag. I just bought a 2-in-1 bag for a small amount of money. You guys won't believe how much I bought this bag. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my place. You can just go out with this alone. You can just go out with this alone, and you can just go out with this alone. You can just go out with this alone without not adding this one inside, and you can also just go out with this alone. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. As you can see, I got a 2-in-1 bag. Oh my god, like I can't just believe this. It's so beautiful, just for 135 euro. So as you can see, it's 135 euro, guys. Oh my goodness, I love this bag. I love this bag. I love this bag. This is the last one from Fashionette. I'll try to put the link on my description box. So we just click, all you have to do is to click the link, and it will take you direct to the website. And you can also ask for my code if you want. You will get a 20% discount off whatever you purchase. So go there and make your order and come thank me later. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I so much appreciate you guys watching me and supporting me for so long. Thank you all so much for the love, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Bye.